Welcome to another daily t-shirt design tutorial. My name is David Oisamuje. Without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight right to it. Yes, I said daily tutorial in the beginning. It's going to be Friday, Tuesday. It's going to be Friday, Sunday, Tuesday. So just expect it on those days. Friday, Tuesday, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday. So without wasting much of your time, I'm just going to go straight right into it. So I'm going to open Canva.com. I'm going to be using Canva.com for most of my designs. It's quite easier. It's web-based. You guys can easily familiarize yourself with that. So I'm going to be using Canva.com. So custom dimension. Like you see, I went to create a design, then I clicked on custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400. Pixel. Create a design. When it loads up, we'll go to upload. So scroll down, you see this left hand side bar. We'll just go to where it says upload. Upload an image or video. Downloads. Let's do Unite US flag. So we're gonna do US. Okay, this is the one we're gonna be using. So I'm gonna open that. It's gonna load up. As you can see, it's loading up. Once it's done loading up, you just click on it once. It appears in your Canva. So now I'm just going to increase it. To do that, I over my cursor to this edge and just drag outward by pressing my left mouse click button and dragging my mouse outward, just like that. And I'm just going to position this to the CD2 mark, just like that. Then now I'm going to go to text. I'm going to go to text. And for this, I'll try to find a vintage. Let me find a vintage text. So just try to find a vintage text and use that. Okay, seems these are the only vintage ones, so I'll just use this. As you can see, it's quite small. It's quite small, so I'm going to make it bigger. Over my cursor to this edge, press my left mouse click button and drag outwards. So now I have that. I'm gonna make it just like that. So now I'm gonna ungroup it because I don't obviously want some layers. So you click on ungroup, click just outside, click on the first one, delete that. Then I'm gonna leave that in there. So this one is gonna be just gonna double tap to highlight that. So this one is gonna say, unite. It's gonna say unite like so. It's gonna say unite. So I'm just gonna change the color of that. Just gonna change the color. So it's gonna say unite, just like that. So now I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on my Alt key button because I want to duplicate that unite layer. I'm just going to drag it out like so. So now I'm going to change this, Ctrl A to highlight that. So now that is going to say ED. So now I'm going to make this ED bigger. I'm going to make it bigger and I'm going to try to make it a little bit like so. So now we have that. I'm just going to move that just about there. So now I'm going to leave that like so. Just like so. So I'm going to do the shift up. I'm supposed to group that layer, but I'll just leave that. So what I'll do now is just to move this a bit to the left like so, and I'll move that too. So now for this under text, I'm going to do Ctrl A again. I'm going to do okay now. I'm just going to select this text, Ctrl A, So for this text, I'm gonna put 90 for once, together for once, together for once. So now that I have that, I'm just going to increase it like so. Just going to increase it like so. So let's see how that goes. So now, I'm going to change that from Control A. I'm just going to change that from black to, let's say, red, like so. So we have that now. So we'll just bring in our flag, move it a bit. Just bring it and move it a bit. So now we have that. So now I'm just going to do my Control A and make all this bigger, like so. I'm just going to move them like that. So now we'll just click on download, and as you can see, we can't download with PNG with the transparent background. You need the transparent background if you are putting it on multiple colors of shade. So I advise you check the first link in the description to get a free 30 days on me. You get a free 30 days on me. Just check the first link in the description, sign up with that link, and you get Canva Pro for 30 days. You can use that to remove the white background so that you can put it on multiple color of shades. It will make you more money from passive income. Trust me, you want to do that. So here you go. We have our work downloading, and you can see it's just about 7 minutes into the design, and we are good to go. We have our design all ready for us. This is our design. Just wait for that to load. Wait for that to load. As you can see, it's ready for us. So with that said, to your right, YouTube has recommended the best video for you to watch next, so make sure you watch that, and I will see you in our follow-up video. Stay blessed.